When picking out a monitor, what does the size of the monitor have to do with the resolution? Well, they have a lot to do with each other actually, and they can affect your gaming experience entirely. First, we gotta talk about what the resolution even means. It's basically the number of pixels the screen shows. So whenever you see something that says 1920 by 1080, it's basically saying the screen is 1920 pixels by 1080 pixels, which you can basically kind of conclude that more pixels equals to a higher resolution, which then leads to sharper images, better details, that sort of thing. Next, you gotta understand what pixel density is. This measures how many pixels are packed into each inch of the screen. Higher pixel density equals to like more crisp, sharper images, while a lower pixel density makes the images look more soft and pixelated. So for example, if you got a 32-inch 1080p monitor, the resolution is gonna have to fit that entire surface area of the monitor. And 1080p doesn't have enough pixels to kind of cover an entire 32-inch monitor. So I'm assuming you can guess that the pixels are going to be less dense because they're going to be stretched out to fit the entire screen, and then it's going to make the image softer and look more pixelated. That's why a 24-inch 1080p monitor looks better than a 32-inch 1080p monitor. This also affects what kind of hardware you have, specifically your GPU. Basically, the higher the resolution, the more work your GPU has to do. That's why the load shifts to your GPU when you go up to like 1440p and 4K. But at the end of the day, this does not matter to everybody. Some people don't notice it, some people might notice it and they hate it. Some people notice it, they don't care. It's really all based on preference here. But the next time you're picking out your monitor, just keep this in mind and see if this helps you out.